If you are still saying I am busy every time someone asks you for help, you might be sounding less professional than you realize. In today's workplace, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Native English speaking professionals rarely complain about being busy. Instead, they use precise expressions that communicate workload, priorities, and boundaries politely and confidently. Today, I will teach you four powerful workplace expressions that are commonly used in international companies, remote teams, and corporate meetings. By the end of this video, you will sound more confident, more polished, and much more like someone who works in an English speaking environment. Let's get started. Expression number one, bandwidth. It's a noun. It means available time, energy, or mental capacity. Imagine your internet connection. When too many people use it, everything slows down. The same idea applies to your brain. Your bandwidth is the amount of time and mental energy you have available. Instead of saying, I am too busy, say, I don't have the bandwidth to take another project this week. Notice the difference. You aren't complaining, you are communicating professionally. More examples like, I finally have some bandwidth to review your proposal. Do you have the bandwidth to help me tomorrow? Our team doesn't have the bandwidth to support another client right now. So repeat after me. I would like to help, but I don't have the bandwidth at the moment. Expression number two is deep work. Focused, uninterrupted work on demanding tasks. Have you ever sat down to work when your phone rings, someone sends you a message, an email pops up, another meeting begins? By lunchtime, you have worked all morning but finished almost nothing. That's exactly why professionals talk about deep work. Deep work means giving one important task your complete attention without distraction. Instead of saying, don't disturb me, say, I have blocked 2 hours for deep work, or I am in deep work mode this morning. I usually schedule deep work before lunch. I need some uninterrupted deep work to finish the report. This sounds productive, not rude. Expression number three, context switching. Here's something that destroys productivity. You answer an email, then join a meeting, then reply to Slack, then answer WhatsApp, then return to your report. Every time your brain jumps from one task to another. That's called context switching. Professionals know that constant context switching reduces focus. Instead of saying everyone keeps interrupting me, say the constant context switching is slowing my progress today. I am trying to reduce context switching. This project requires long periods of focus without context switching. Now you sound like someone who understands productivity, not someone who is simply overwhelmed. Expression number four is firefighting. No, it doesn't mean fighting real fires. It's a business idiom. It means spending your day solving urgent problems. Instead of doing your planned work, like, for example, I have been firefighting all morning. We are constantly firefighting instead of planning ahead. The client issue turned into another firefighting exercise. Imagine planning to finish a presentation, then five urgent email arrives. A customer complains. Your manager needs something immediately. Your entire day changes. That's firefighting. Now I'm giving you one bonus expression, heads down. This is another expression you will hear in many workplaces. It means you are focusing completely on your work. Like, for example, I will be heads down until 3 p.m. I'm spending the afternoon heads down on the proposal. It's a polite way to tell people you are unavailable without sounding unfriendly. These are the kind of expressions that make your English sound natural, professional, and native-like. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments using bandwidth, deep work, context switching, firefighting. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn the English that professionals actually use, not just textbook, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to sound more confident at work. See you in the next video.